Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about subatomic particles and their location. Of course, we're still going to be talking about their charge as well. So here on the triple bubble, I'm going to go back through and remind you that when we use the blue marker, we are talking about the proton. When we use the green, we're talking about the neutron. And when we use yellow, we're talking about the electron. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and draw that triple bubble. Remember, our proton and our neutron are about the same size, as close as you can get it when you draw it. Then our electron is up here, and it's smaller. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about is something called the nucleus. And the nucleus you might have heard about before whenever you were in biology in 7th grade, when you were talking about cells. But here, when we talk about the nucleus, we're talking about the center of the atom. The nucleus is right here in the middle. This is our nucleus. And our nucleus is in the center of the atom. And it has the proton and the neutron in it. I'm going to remind you of the charges of the proton and the neutron. The proton is positive. The neutron has no charge. So for the proton, you can see how that P kind of crosses over the middle and forms our positive sign. The neutron, we put a little circle in the middle to represent no charge. And then the electron up here is negative. So inside of our nucleus, which is the center of the atom, is our proton, which is positive, and our neutron, which has no charge. Out here, outside of the nucleus, notice how the electron is not inside the nucleus. Outside the nucleus, the electron is in something called the electron cloud. The electron cloud is where all electrons are located. Sometimes you may hear about the cloud referred to as rings, shells, or orbits. But for the most part, we like to try to refer to it as the electron cloud. So here is the location and the charge of our subatomic particles that make up our atom. We have the positive proton and the neutral neutron inside of our nucleus. Our electron is out here. It is negative, and it's inside the electron cloud. That is our locations and our charges for our subatomic particles.